I swear to God, Asperger's, you don't shut the hell up. Motherfucker sounded like Captain Diabetes from South Park over here.
Fuck. I let one of our friends die because my mag was empty.
You're a terrible
First
person.
I like how we both came to that conclusion.
Where was... Oh! That's an interesting spot.
I hope to God that I can pull this one off. Most of them are alive right now, so they just get on. 7 kills their entire fucking team. They just need to get on the plane now. 10 kills their entire team like is literally dead.
I'm 24 and 17.
Ben sweating it here.
Alright, good job, guys. Good job.
I'm just getting real good at clearing rooms.
Dude, I can't this map.
I move fast and I clear rooms.
No, what about like my face and chest though?
Hey, Cuddles, I won't be fucking talking to you.
I got killed from behind.
Apologize.
Can we just play the game?
No, I think it's we don't have the moral support like the base in the previous games.
Oh wait, no, do you guys need some hard base? Do you need some
Bro, we
music?
need some hard base.
Yeah, okay, wait.
Fucking Russian hard base is coming in. We're charging in, Josh.
I'm not charging shit.
Russian hard base means you charge.
Yeah, straight to my grave. I'm
Hell right. How else? How else do you do it?
Oh, bitch.
We lost our hard base. Morals are lowest they've ever been. Or morale. I fucking know English, trust me.
Well, morals are pretty low too. Michael, why are you using a gun with an iron sight?
Cause I'm good.
Are you though?
You want to
Oh! What? Too late, already dead.
Are you fucking kidding me? I wanna fucking give me the goddamn news. I died the hard base back.
I know, same.
Oh, I should have just kept moving forward.
I got immediately murdered at the fucking the base drop.
You weren't vibing hard enough to it like
I think I was vibing too much.
No such fucking
You hear that, Josh? You're just not vibing hard enough.
I can't hear nothing over the fucking hard base.
My legs. My legs.
Throwing flash grenade!
Somebody, who just flashbanged everybody? I heard that.
I don't know.
The dude that was next to me.
Use the smoke!
I'm behind you, Josh. I'm behind you.
Alright, quick! Reloading!
Oh! We captured that as soon as I fucking died.
Yeah, less thinking, more hard-based.
Less thinking more.
Yeah, I feel like one with a board when you play that.
I swear.
I just killed someone when they jumped off a ledge.